In a world often clouded by negativity and doubt, the power of a positive mindset shines as a beacon of hope and transformation. As Winston S. Churchill wisely noted, attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. This statement encapsulates the essence of positive thinking. A small shift in perspective can lead to monumental changes in our lives. Positive thinking isn't just about expecting the best to happen. It's also about accepting that what happens is for the best. Helen Keller, a paragon of overcoming adversity, said, "Keep your face to the sunshine, and you cannot see a shadow." This isn't to say that life won't have its dark moments, but rather, it's about choosing to focus on the light. Remember, as Mahatma Gandhi put it, keep your thoughts positive, because your thoughts become your words. Our thoughts are the seeds from which our reality grows. A positive mindset nurtures kindness, ambition, and a spirit of perseverance. Roald Dahl beautifully expressed this idea. If you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face like sunbeams, and you will always look lovely. Embracing a positive mindset also means recognizing the potential in every challenge. Albert Einstein pointed out that in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to growth and wisdom. The journey towards maintaining a positive mindset is continuous. It's about cultivating an inner dialogue that empowers and uplifts. As Audrey Hepburn once said, "Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible." This mindset is not just about personal success. It's about inspiring others. As Steve Jobs remarked, "The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do." So, let us embark on this journey of positive thinking, transforming our lives and those around us, one positive thought